ITTF should change the service rule.
Hi everyone, I'd like to take a few seconds to look back at a moment that illustrates just how difficult it is to fairly judge the regularity of a service in the light of the ITTF rules as they are currently written, and also the hypocrisy of the table tennis authorities on this subject. It happened just a few hours ago at the China Smash during a match between Anders Lind and Lin Sherdong. The score was 1-0 for Lin Sherdong, who had a 10-7 lead in the second game. Anders Lind was to serve and he did a tomahawk serve whose toss was called fault by the referee. Indeed, that toss might have not been vertical enough. It's hard to confirm it clearly with the new WTT camera angle, but it doesn't seem as unvertical as several previous serves in the same match that were not called fault, not to mention the numerous obviously fault serves that hadn't been called fault during the very same event the days before. In this case at least, the ball-to-racket contact is clearly visible. Anyway, irritated by this remark, insofar as he considers that his opponent hides the ball when he serves and do not get remarks about it, Anders Lind goes hook serve the same way Lin Sherdong does, and he logically gets another warning. At 10-9, Lin Sherdong is to serve. He does another hook serve that even with the new WTT camera angle one can figure out that the ball goes behind his head. Anders Lind cannot read accurately enough the spin and loses the point. He points it out in his own way, but the damage is done. Lin Sherdong now leads 2-0. Let me remind you the fact that in a recent survey, more than 8 respondents out of 10 would like the current service rules to evolve, so I once again call on the ITTF to take action and erase the imperfections of a text that is not uniformly and homogeneously applicable at the professional level, and even less at the amateur level.